Alright guys, so today we're going to do a little bit of work in the evening here at my car. This is a little mobile run machine. We're going to change the door lock right here. Also, we're going to go ahead and change this window regulator right here. As you can see, it's catching up. I already went to the junkyard, get me some parts and stuff. Also in the process, we'll probably change the valve cover gasket too, guys. So I got some gasket right here in the ground. These are our used parts that we're going to change today. Window regulator, door lock. We're going to change the door lock first, guys. It's a little bit tricky. As you can see, it's a little bit, we got to reuse this spring right here. So let's get it popping. We're going to take the door side off. Sorry guys, if the lot was here, you want to pop this out. You got like some nice little spot right there. This right here is a T30. I'll get this out. It's a funny looking screw, guys. See? It's a funny looking screw. Sit down in here is the same T30. I'm gonna remove these two. I'm gonna pop this out. Let me get this out real quick. So guys, I got the switch out. All you gotta do is just lift from the back and pull it backwards. And as you can see right here, you want to press in this part and push down at the same time. And it's the same. This one you just press right here. This one you go and press right here and pull out at the same time. So these two is a little bit easier. This one is going to be a little bit harder, guys. So you gotta put the phone down. So once you get the switch out, the next move we're gonna do, we're gonna get like a screwdriver or something, and we're gonna pry between the crack right here. I think you should have some little slot like you see right here. You want to pry right here from the leak spot and get it out. You got a little one right there. You just push it in right here. Just push this one in, and it should be able to come out. Let's do that. Okay guys, so we're at the back. So this windows, if you look at the side, it got two little clips. You just pry it away and that will come out. This one right here, this is a lock. If you look right down here by the back right here, you got this little clip. You want to lift it and push up. So pretty much once you lift it and push up, it will slide out. So see there, it slide out right there. Now we got this out. This is the part we want to replace, guys. This is the part that broke right here. So this clip right here come out. So if you use like a screwdriver or something and put it underneath right here, see, it popped up. That's how it popped up, guys. All right, so let me just change the lock and then we're gonna be right back. So guys, we got it in. It was a little bit tricky, but after you get the hang of it, then it comes in a little bit easy. But you want to slide it in first, and then you just put the spring in, sit the clip from up by the top, pretty much kind of preset it right here. So when you put the spring in, the top piece running by the back, then swing this to apply the pressure. Then you pop this all the way in. And you know we got a good working function door lock. So what I'm gonna do right now, guys, is just kind of cut back the cable and the electrical wire harness, and we're good to go. So we're gonna do the reverse of what we just did. Take it off. Let's go.